Today I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Notion. This connection allows you to sync your Trello boards and cards directly into your Notion workspace, making it easier to manage projects across both platforms without constantly switching between tabs. First, open Notion and select your desired workspace from the sidebar. This is important because the integration will apply specifically to whichever workspace you're currently in, so make sure you've chosen the right one where you want your Trello data to appear. Next, click on the Settings menu in the left sidebar. This will open up your workspace settings where you can manage various configurations and connections. Once you're in Settings, look for the Connections tab and select it. This is where Notion houses all its third-party integrations, allowing you to link external tools and services to your workspace. In the Connections tab, you'll see a list of available integrations, but not all of them will be visible right away. Click the See All text below the initial list to expand the full catalog of apps that Notion supports. This will give you access to hundreds of integration options. Now scroll through the app list until you find Trello. Once you've located it, click on it to open the integration details. Here you'll see a Connect button. Click it to begin the authorization process between Notion and Trello. A Trello authorization pop-up will appear. If you're not already logged into Trello, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Make sure you're logging into the Trello account that contains the boards and data you want to sync with Notion. After logging in, you'll be asked to grant Notion permission to access your Trello data. Click Allow to authorize the connection. This step is crucial as it enables Notion to read and sync your Trello boards, cards, and activity. Keep in mind that this authorization might take a little while to process, so be patient while the connection establishes. Once the authorization completes, that's it. You've now successfully integrated Trello with your Notion workspace. Your Trello boards and cards will be accessible within Notion, allowing you to streamline your workflow and keep all your project information in one place. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.